Now we are going to learn how to connect to a running container. There are two ways to connect to a running container. In fact, while running the container or once the container is started. So the first way is when you are going to start the container, then and there itself you can specify the option to connect to the container. Another, once the container is already started, you can specify few options and you can connect to a up and running container. So let's see the first option. I'm going to create a container of Ubuntu, or we can take as a Nginx as also, and we will connect it once it is started using run command. So now here I have mentioned -it, which will help you to connect the local system to the container which is running on this system. So now from local system prompt you will be into the containers prompt. So let's hit the enter. So now you can see now we are on the Nginx containers. What the container name is web server 5 and we are inside that. We can do exit to come out from the container. Another way to connect to a running container is we need to find out the up and running container first. So we have two containers up and running. This is web server 2 and web server. So now let's connect to the web server 2. So now here you have to mention the execute -it and then the name of the container, and you have to provide a command as well. So then it will execute this /bin bash and you will be connected to that container. So let's hit enter. So now we are inside the container of web server 2. To exit from this container you have to type exit command. That's it about this video. If you really liked it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video.